Walsall property renters, if you're seeking a 3-bedroom semi-detached property in a decent location in the south side of Walsall, you've found the ideal place for yourself. We're looking for a family, a couple maybe with 2 children max, to rent this property out for us. We've had a long-term tenant who's moved out, and now the property is for rent. Where we are is in the Palfrey area of Walsall. On that side you've got the Broadway West, and this side you've got the shopping centre, Bescott Stadium, the Matland complex. All of that is kind of on that side. Joseph Lecky School is just behind us on this side. So ideally located for a couple with a growing family. So I'm going to take you through now. You can see this property's got a driveway for 1 car, plenty of parking on the road for additional cars. As I said, semi-detached. You've got access to the garden through this side, and obviously you're attached on that side. Double glazed, centrally heated. I'll take you through first into the entrance porch. So a lovely area just to come in, put your brollies and shoes, and you come into the entrance lobby and then straight into the lounge with the stairs going up. So this is like a lounge cum diner. Probably put a dining table over there, maybe sofas even. Dining table could probably go over there as well. Or even the previous couple actually had the dining table by the window. So you can either put it here. TV points in the corner where your satellite dish and aerial and stuff is, and sockets. This is an electric fire. And along the fireplace over here you've got the your thermostat, your digital thermostat for the combination boiler. So the property is centrally heated, gas-fired central heating. And then you walk through these doors into the kitchen. Range of fitted units, base units, wall units. That's a gas cooker with, I think it's a gas oven. Not sure, I think it's a gas or electric. I know the hob is definitely gas. You've got the boiler in this corner over here, behind the units. Combination boiler. Okay, that's that. And then space for washing machine. Under counter fridge freezer, probably a slimline one will go in there. Yeah, that's the 2 spaces for your white goods. This little understairs cupboard. Little space, I'll let the camera just go in and have a look. Is there a light? What's this called here? Yeah, there's a light. So you can put in your... I mean, some people have put in previous tenants. We've had this property, I think, about 10, 11 years on our books. And they've even put a chest freezer and stuff in there. Your kind of storing of your mop bucket, brush and stuff. Okay, so come through and I'll just go through, I'll step back out and let the camera go in there. That's the downstairs. You've got an additional guest WC. I'd say the decor is about 80%. There's certain places that have been freshened up by the tenant when they vacated, and everywhere else is quite decent. You've got this area again, another porch at the back end of the house, which leads you out into this lovely garden. Really big size. Stopped raining a little bit. We'll be okay. Stopped raining for a little bit. Yep. And have a look at this garden. Look how long this garden is. I don't know, I haven't measured it, how long it is, but it's in 2 sections. We'll have a quick stroll down. Over here, you've got obviously this lovely patio area. You can host your little barbecues during the summertime. Lovely space. There's just grand space at the back in this house. a workable shed where you can store your goods. For those green-fingered people, there's a greenhouse for you as well. And then you've got this whole section. You can lose your kids in here basically. You've got this section would be good enough for a good sized garden. You can see left and right, these gardens, they're all kind of similar. There's this additional section over here, which gives you this extra kind of space. I mean, they've put up football posts next door. Seems a good size. So yeah, so all of this is part and parcel of this property. Okay, so if you follow me up the stairs, before we do, actually, this little cupboard has got your gas and electric meters. It's all up to current regs. We've got electric certs, gas certs on this property, obviously the EPC and stuff, so that's where your meters are kept. And if we go upstairs, do you want to go before me? And then if you want to turn right into the bathroom. Yep, so the bathroom has got electric shower, wash and basin, WC, a full bath. It's all got aqua paneling. The kind of modern properties are being done up this way nowadays with waterproof aqua paneling, as they're called, or waterproof paneling in the bathroom. So it's all nice and fresh, kind of ready for someone to come in and make it their own. So this is the front bedroom at the front. We've got 2 double bedrooms in this house and 1 single room. This one's got laminate flooring in it, freshly painted, it's ready to go. You've got your curtains together with it. Yep. So that's your front bedroom, and then you've got this second bedroom at the back, which is also a double. And this one come through. Yeah. This one's facing the rear garden. It's quite deceptive. I mean, looking at these properties, these were built around the 30s, 40s maybe, could be even late as 50s, but these were built ex-council properties. They've got these low ceilings, so it gives you a kind of sense of it's quite compact, but actually, you know, when you measure out the floor space and stuff, this used to be the kids' bedroom, and the adults took the other bedroom, and they had plenty of space. And then you've got this single room, which is a good space. You know, if you again do this with your arms, you can see it's a good space. Easily get a single bed in here. You can see where the furniture indentations are where they had. I believe they just used this. They had 2 children that used that bedroom, and this was more like a games come changing room that they used it as. And yeah, you can see the views out in the gardens from here. Nice and peaceful. This is Saturday afternoon. Obviously it's raining. It's been raining every time we've come out and done a walkthrough video recently. So something's going on. Okay, we'll end the video here. We've seen the house. So if you're interested in making inquiries about this house, do please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon. You'll get notified immediately as soon as the property comes onto the market. So if you're interested in making an inquiry about this property, please do so. All the links will be in the description. You can call us, you can email us. The brochure in terms of your application, initial application, will be on our website as well. Give us a call, and we look forward to taking you forward to an application. Take care.